I'm Pallavi Batra. McCain, a name we're all familiar with, a huge brand in the frozen food market. Today, we bring to you a fiery cooking contest between 6 equally talented restaurant chefs. But only one of them will win the coveted title of McCain Star Chef 2022. With over 500 entries from all across the country to a final shortlist of 6 lucky ones. Let's take a sneak peek into the journey of those chosen few who have risen to the occasion.
Hello, my name is Harsh Mehta. मैं अहमदाबाद से हूँ.
I'm Shilpa Kedia from Kolkata.
हेलो जी, मैं हूं अंकुश शर्मा, शहर लुधियाना से.
Hi everyone, I'm Chef नीलू कौरव. मैं लुधियाना से हूँ.
मैं रिक शर्मा हूँ अहमदाबाद से.
मेरा नाम सेजल शाह है, मैं अहमदाबाद से हूँ.
Now we present to you our 3 judges who'll decide their fate. Welcome judges, and thank you so much for being a part of this new journey with McCain. How important do you think platforms like McCain Star Chef are?
It's very good for the new chefs who are going to be part of the industry very soon, and from a very international company which have done so much of research on their product. It's a great achievement and it will boost their morale also, and I think boost their career also.
Food is all about art. And उस art form को कितना अच्छे से वो plate करेंगे अपनी plating पे, because they have all a canvas.
And Chef Indrila, with your personal style of cooking, where do McCain products fit in?
So McCain products fit into my stomach, to be honest. Because I'm like, honestly, you open my fridge, you'll at least find 4 different types of McCain products.
So tell me your favorite first.
French fries, hands down. It's the classic and the best.
Any last word of advice for our 6 contestants?
Create with McCain's, eat with McCain, and have fun. That's it.
Yeah, I think that's...
Have fun.
You know, just be yourself on that plate. Put yourself on that plate and it's gonna shine through.
I think they just have to be creative and confident in terms of their plating, flavors, and the texture.
You just got a taste of what's in the judges' minds. Fun apart, there is no doubt that they will look at every contestant minutely and make every minute of theirs count in the cook-off. In round 1, our restaurant chefs have to cook the dish they have submitted, which has won them a spot in the final 6. But right from the start, the stakes are high because 2 chefs will be eliminated at the end of this 45-minute cook-off. And you certainly don't want to be the first 2 to go.
So your cooking time for round 1 is start now.
As the round 1 of McCain Star Chef commences, the first step is to source the right ingredients, as that will make or break the contestants' dishes.
You've got 15 minutes left. Time's up. Please step away from your dishes. Well done.
seems like the judges have made their decision. Who will be the top 4 chefs going into round 2?
Is it the moment of truth, may I? Did the contestants match your expectations, surpass them, not meet them?
They did a fantastic job. Everybody was quite innovative.
All right, so at the end of this round, 2 of you will be eliminated. The first one through is Chef Sejal. Congratulations. The second spot in round 2 goes to Chef Ankush. The third spot in round 2 goes to Chef Harsh. All right, now this is the hard one. The last and final spot available in round 2 goes to Chef Shilpa. I'm sorry, that means Chef Rick and Chef Nelu, you are out of round 1. Thank you so much. Round 2 is all about creating occasions. Each contestant will break open a cookie that will reveal the featured occasion for this mystery cook, followed by a scroll that indicates the main McCain product to be featured in their final dish. All right, you have 60 minutes to cook your dish in this round, and your time starts now. All right, chef, so interesting round, mystery cook. They, of course, have a lot of McCain products to choose from, so it shouldn't be a very hard task for them. What do you think?
I think they've just got like the entire gamut of stuff that they can do with it.
What would you be the happiest with out of these options?
Chaat is the
Yeah.
easiest one.
I would
And the tastiest.
Easiest
And the
one.
tastiest. Again, 2 people are going to be eliminated out of this round. Are you going to be harsher? What are you looking for? What will absolutely be unacceptable?
For me, in this, theme is very important.
Yes.
The combination has to be perfect.
I know what's in store for them in round 3. They don't know, and it's going to be a tough one. So they all need to bring their A game in this round. You have 15 minutes to go. Hurry up.
I have prepared coleslaw salad with 3 types of nuggets and poppers, whatever I had the options. And then I fried pita chips, some fries with some mayo and soft drink.
So Ankush, next, let's see your dish.
रेसिपी का नाम रखा है मकेन स्लाइडर्स। सो इसमें मतलब मैंने जो टर्मराइट पेस्ट यूज़ किया है और उसमें एक वॉलनट्स ऐड किए हैं ताकि उसमें थोड़ा सा मतलब ट्विस्ट देने के लिए क्रंच, और उसमें मैंने बेल पेपर्स और मशरूम्स मैंने सॉटे करके अंदर डाले हैं और चीज़ स्प्रेड किया इसके अंदर और चीज़ स्लाइस ऐड किया है, और साथ में मैं कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मिक्स फ्रूट जूस इसके साथ एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री।
थैंक यू।
Thank you.
Sejal, can we see your dish? Wonderful. So tell us, what is this?
तो मैंने 2 McCain प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए हैं। So I've tried with herb chili patty and cheese triangles. So I've tried something with Indian chaat and with some cheese and sauce and mix.
Okay.
And with jaljeera soda.
Jaljeera soda.
Okay, let's try.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Next line.
Yeah.
Next. Harsh, can we see your dish? Wonderful. Get it. Tell, what is it?
So here I present to you a poha mixed with savory veggies and with roasted rounds and some fruit juice.
What is on top? This is melted cheese.
And the orange
orange ring is chipotle mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise, okay. And do you want us to eat the chili as well?
Nah,
If you want to.
if you want, you can.
Thank you.
Thank you
We'll
so
just
much.
try this.
Okay.
You're done? Thank you so much, everybody.
guys.
Great
Thank you.
effort.
The judges felt you all did a great job, but the winners were clear for round 2. With a whopping total of 104, the first person through to round number 3 is Chef Ankush. Congratulations. And at the number 2 spot with a score of 71, the last person going through to the finale of McCain Star Chef 2022 is Chef Shilpa. Congratulations. Unfortunately, that means Chef Harsh and Chef Sejal, your journey for this year ends right here. Thank you so much.
The final round takes the contestants to a whole new level, and our final 2 have to replicate the dish made by none other than the inimitable Chef Manish Mehrotra, Culinary Director, Indian Accent.
You can taste, and then you make, and I will taste.
Contestants, you have 40 minutes for round 3, and your time starts now.
कहाँ तक गाड़ी पहुँची?
शेफ़ मेरी पम्पकिन भी रेडी है, दूसरा एलिमेंट भी रेडी है, बस नाउ इसको थोड़ा सा कंसिस्टेंसी इसके ठीक।
सॉस फट रही है आपकी, ज़्यादा बॉईल हो रही है, ठीक है ना, दाने आ रहे हैं ना?
यस।
इसका मतलब सॉस फटेगी, तो आप इसको ज़्यादा हीट करेंगे, ख़राब होगी, ठीक है? आपका क्या हाल?
मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच गई सर शेफ।
यहाँ तक पहुँच गए, वेरी गुड। ये भी हो गया, ये भी हो गया। मेक अ नीट क्लीन प्लेट, ओके?
ओके सर।
थैंक यू।
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, the countdown is over. Hands off your dishes.
Both of them have created
Yes.
very good plate. What do you think?
I am totally with you. It tastes really fantastic.
The replication that they've done is like a phenomenon.
But chef, end
I'm
of
a
the
good
day.
teacher, I think.
Yes, you're a brilliant teacher. You need to teach me
We have
also.
a best teacher over here.
But I do believe at this point in competition, it's a little things that matter.
Yes, definitely.
And with that little thing.
The decision has been taken, but the judges have decided to call all our contestants as they are winners in their own way.
So, moment of truth. Everybody did fantastic job. Out of more than 500 people, 6 of you are here. It means you cook good food. Somebody's day is not there. So the winner of this McCain Star Chef is
Like duck type feeling.
Ankush Sharma. And the runners-up is Shilpa Kedia. Congratulations. Congratulations to all of you. Okay, congratulations.
I am very happy being a runner-up also, and I am blessed that we are here and we had a great platform from McCain.
Kush. Amicus, congratulations. Perfect.
आज मैं बता नहीं सकता कि आज मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ और आज जो एक सपना देखा था मैंने स्टार शेफ बनने का वो आज पूरा हो चुका है.
Big thank you to our esteemed judges panel, not only for their amazing mentorship through the day, but also to Chef Manish for creating such an amazing and challenging dish to make our finale so much more exciting. A big round of thanks to all our contestants for all their efforts, and most importantly to all of you for tuning in. Until next time, this is Pallavi Batra signing off.